Dear student, as you have studied in the chapter plant, its parts and functions, you are aware of the various part of the plant and flower and leaf. You are aware of the scattering of the seed, dispersal of seed. So hope you are revising it and you have completed the exercise questions which I have sent earlier and learn it. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Now here today we will do the activity based on these chapters, and here you can see here the how to make leaf press. Okay, so you have to collect some leaves around you nearby, around 10 leaf of different plant to make leaf press. For that you have to collect the leaf and take newspaper sheet, okay, of size 20 into 25 centimeter. If you are not having newspaper, you can use any old copies or useless paper to press the leaf in between. And rather than that, cardboard of same size is also required, so that this newspaper will be covered by the cardboards, or any other board which you are having of different size also can also be used. Okay, then you have to press it between these and keep a heavy load over it, as you can see here in the diagram. Okay, so I hope you are able to make leaf press and press the leaf in between the newspaper first of all, and then keep the newspaper between these cardboards in between and heavy load over it. So by this you are able to make leaf press and keep it for 2 days. Then you will observe that the leaf is completely dried, as the water what was there inside is completely absorbed and evaporated. So you have to make a herbarium file now. Okay, as you can see here in this activity, you can see here herbarium file. For that herbarium sheet, you have to paste these leaves which you have made leaf press. Okay, and you have to paste it and name the plant from which you have taken this leaf and its location. As you can see here in the question, it is given what are the things you have to write about. So you have to name the plant, its location, and date of the collection. Like today you are collecting, you have to maintain the record of the same. So I hope you are able to make herbarium sheet of different plant and do this activity within 1 week, and next Monday send the picture of this herbarium file to me on my number, as you are aware of it. Other than that, this activity, you can see third one which is given below the third, this fourth one, look at the seeds drawn below and tell how they are scattered. Look carefully and you should be able to guess even if you have not seen them before. So you have to guess the name of the seed, and you are aware the dispersal of the seed through various means. What are those? Through wind, water and animal. Correct. So I hope you are revising it, and based on that you are able to do this activity, enjoy it and complete it. Thank you very much.